Today we're going to show you how to make a backup video on the L series embedded unit from Adirondack Technology. Notice that we already have the thumb drive plugged into the front of the DVR, and we have our mouse which comes with the DVR, and we have the screen. This is the main viewing screen that will show up when you go to your DVR. What we're going to do is we're going to use the mouse and we're going to right click on the screen. This menu shows up. We're going to go to search and we're going to left click. When we go into search, this menu appears and we're going to select calendar search. Up on top, notice my mouse over the month and the year. Select the one that you have interest in watching. If you notice, number 13 is underlined. The days that have video will be underlined. The days that do not have video will not be underlined. So we know we only have video on the 13th. So we come down here, and this represents the hours of the day from midnight all the way through till midnight the next day. And we have our little mouse, and if you notice some red right there, what that red is means that we have video. If we had video the whole day, that whole line would be red. So we select this time. If you notice as we move it, the times down here change. We're going to get it close up here, and then if we need to do any fine tailoring, we would change it down here in the time. Once we've selected the time and the day and the month and the year, then we just come down here and we select begin playback. It then goes to that time and date, and it begins to play the available video. If you'd like to work with that video, you move your mouse here in the middle, left click one time, and you notice this menu shows up. You have the channel, you have rewind, pause, fast forward. This is the mode. This changes whether you're watching one channel, 8 channels, 16. That'll toggle you through all your channels. You have search, which takes you back to the menu we were just on. Then you have copy. This is how we make a backup of the video that we want to watch. Let's say that we wanted to see this video right here. We would back up to just before this video began by clicking on the rewind button. And once we get to the beginning of what we want, we would click copy one time. When we do that, copy A appears down below. That tells you you've set your begin point. Then you watch the video. Guy smashes the window out of your building or what have you. When you're done, then you click on copy again. What that does is it sets copy B. That's a start and a stop copy format. Then the machine goes into scanning and selecting device. What it's doing is it's looking for this thumb drive right here that we have already put in the front of the machine, right here. It comes up, it sees that the thumb drive is there. It tells you the start and the stop time that it's going to record it, and then you have the ability to say, yes, I want to back it up, or no, I do not. We're going to say no, because I don't need this particular video. If I did, I would click on yes. It would create the file. It would drop it on the thumb drive, and then you could take that thumb drive to any PC and watch it using a current version of Windows Explorer. To get out of playback, you hover over the middle of the screen, and you come over to this last icon. When you hover over it, it says live. Click on it one time, and you're back to live screen. If you want to go back into the recording, just start all over again. Again, right click on the screen, go to search, calendar search, your month, your year, your date, slide, time of the day, all the way down here on the bottom. Begin playback. You've got your video. If you click on fast forward, notice as I click fast forward, these things change here on the bottom in the bottom menu. That tells you that you're going fast forward. Notice how much faster the video is playing. If we go backwards, notice it takes it back down to just standard play. Or we can pause it, or we can rewind it. And then again, go to live play, and it takes you back to the main screen. This is all for recording on the L series DVR. Thank you.